Now, the last topic of our discussion, we are going to compare the coal mining in China with that of Pakistan. China produces 450 times more coal than Pakistan and is used 285 times more coal than Pakistan. Their use is more and their produce is also more. Almost 70% of China's electricity is produced by coal. In Pakistan, most of electricity is produced by oil and gas. So they are producing their electricity with coal and we are producing electricity with oil and gas. Pakistan has one of the world's largest coal deposit in Third Desert, but it has not yet been developed. Means we are not properly using coal. Both countries have pollution problems caused by the coal mining. In China, the city of Linfen in the Shaanxi province, a major coal mining region, is one of the most polluted cities in the world. So this is also one of the danger caused by the coal, that it creates pollution. Both countries have mining accidents every year where people are badly hurt or die. As we have discussed that while digging tunnels and while doing mining underground, there are dangers while people got hurt or die. Okay, what's the fact that coal is found on every continent in the world and 30% of the world's electricity is generated by coal. Now what you have to do is to learn the points on comparison of coal with China and Pakistan, and there are some questions. What you have to do is to look at the photo on the left. Here's a picture given. The person is doing mining, underground mining. Imagine you are a coal miner working deep underground, and write a description of what it might be like. Describe what you have to do, like what you will feel, what you will do. Describe how it feels to be cramped up and covered in a coal dust. Last discussion, let's sum up the chapter. What we have learned, that Balochistan is the largest province. The capital is Quetta. Haran Desert is the west of Balochistan. Balochistan has mud volcanoes and ancient juniper forests. It doesn't have a monsoon season. Summers are hot and dry. Mining is important and it has large deposit of copper and chromite. Coal is mined in Balochistan and local people are called Baloch. Okay students, God bless you.